estando assim, nesse ano assim, ainda tem usando ele, né?
Será que ainda tá rolando, né?
Okay, so right now I'm just prepping the bumper just so I can get it wrapped. I spray painted the lip. I have some black glossy wrap that I was gonna put, but I just sprayed it for now just to see how it turns out. If it turns out okay, then I'll just leave it like that with just the rattle can. And if I don't like how it looks, then I'll just go ahead and put some glossy black wrap on the lip. This is how the car looks so far. I only didn't wrap the side skirts just because I think I'm gonna order some Vertex style or KBD. And then other than that, it's good. I got some new depot headlights for the front. The bumper I'm about to wrap, and maybe thinking about getting some carbon fiber mirror caps. I'm not too sure. And then I just got a set of wheels. They're on the porch right now. And I'm not really liking how the clear, the burgundy, and the red look on the rear. So I'll probably just order some OEM ones and get rid of these. And the bumper markers. So I got the front lip painted. It's okay. I still want to go back over it with one more coat, but I ran out of black paint. Right now I'm doing an inlay for the small piece. And then up here, I'm also going to do it on this side, and then I'll put the whole wrap on the bumper.
I found some bag. I found bags for $1,000.
Wrapping this, what is it, 350Z, right?
Mm-hmm.
This, yeah. And what color is this?
I found bags for $1,000.
I don't even know what color it
This guy,
I
yeah.
just bought it.
How can you zoom in? Can you or no? What is it? It's a little black thing?
Hold on. Alright, so I got the front bumper laid out right here for the 350Z. So this is how the bumper turned out last night. Turned out pretty good. I did use knifeless tape just on these parts right here. And then I have these two pieces right now for the side skirts. I wasn't gonna wrap them because I was gonna do Vertex, but while I wait for them, I guess. And then these, I cut them 12 inches by 80 inches. I think it's like 3 or 4 inches to each side, front and back. And then the mirror. And then I'll probably just install the headlights. So this is how my 350Z turned out. I finished wrapping it. I just gotta get new headlights. Well, I have the headlights, but I'm just waiting for my adapter for the 6-pin to the 8-pin because I got some HR headlights, the depot ones. And then I'm just waiting for the tires to get here because I got new wheels for it. But I think I'll just keep these on for a while. I'm not too sure because I also want to get the faces to get polished. Maybe chrome, but I also need to put my diffuser on. And I think that's it. At least for now. I don't know what else I'll be doing to it other than maintenance, because I know I need the front lower control arms and the tie rods. And I'm missing some interior trim pieces, but I'll probably get those down the road, you know, if I find something on Marketplace, or I don't know.